everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Valentine's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a box of chocolate surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our box of chocolate surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners, and we'll give it a nice fold. So it kind of looks like we're making a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold. So it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by making the lid of the box. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to bring this over and down like a really skinny rectangle. Then starting here, I'm going to make this line come down. We're going to go over and bring this up like another skinny rectangle, but this one's going to be just a little bit bigger than that. Now starting here, let's draw a line that comes straight down, and let's make another one here, line that comes straight down. Now let's make a bow on here. So let's begin by drawing a partial circle. Then we're going to make a curve here, and then we'll make another curve right here. Now inside of here, let's go ahead and make another little curve, and then same thing here, just to add a little bit of detail to our bow. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down, and then back here for a ribbon. And then same thing here, up and down, up, and then back for the ribbon. Next, let's put a little tag on here. Let's make a little wavy line. And then let's go ahead and draw a little rectangle on here. Then we'll just put a little heart on here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Once we open up the picture, we have two halves of our box. So the first thing for our box of chocolates is let's bring this line down and bring this line down just a little bit. Then we're going to make this line come right across here. Then we can continue this part of the ribbon down. Now we want this box to look a little three-dimensional. So let's go ahead and make a diagonal line in, and then we're going to make a diagonal line in here. Then connect those two lines with a straight line. Now you see this shape, it's kind of like an upside down trapezoid. What we're going to do next is we're just going to draw the shape a little bit smaller on the inside. So it's like we're making that trapezoid shape again. And then you can even go and draw this line up and this line up to here to really make it look 3D. Now let's move to the bottom. So let's begin by drawing this line up a little bit, and we'll draw this line up a little bit. Then we're going to bring this line across. We'll bring this line up, and we'll bring this line up for the ribbon. Now, starting here, let's go ahead, and I'm going to make this look 3D too. I'm going to make a diagonal line here, and I'm going to make a diagonal line right here. Now the next step is we've got this kind of shape here, like a trapezoid too. I'm going to draw the same shape, so I go down at an angle, across, and then back up here. Now let's go ahead and make the chocolates in here. So we can make different shapes. I'm going to start by making kind of like a round one here. Then I'm going to make one that's going to go up it's going to kind of come to a rounded point and then down like this. And we'll put a little line on here. Then over here, I'll make a little bit of like a taller kind of oval shape one. Back here, I'll make a little bit of like a square shape. Then I can make kind of like a triangle shape here. And we can put another round one over here. And then I'm going to put like a small round one right here. I also want to put a couple up here. So I'm going to make kind of like a diamond shape. So we're going to go down like this, and we're going to come up. So it kind of looks like a diamond. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down and up, and a little line down, so it looks kind of three-dimensional. I want to make a sad face here, and then I'm going to curve this line around. Then I'm going to make a long shape here. We're going to go down, and then at an angle. Then we're going to come up, and kind of curve it around. We're going to come down like this, and then down here. Then what you can do is when you're done in here, then you can come in here and start adding some funny little faces on here. You can give them little eyes and mouths. You can make like different little shape eyes. You can make like cute faces on here. You can do all sorts of things. So I'm just going to go ahead and make some funny little faces on all of my little chocolates real fast. Now, once you're done with all the faces, you can always add more chocolates, or you can do whatever. I might put a couple little lines underneath some of these so it looks like they're kind of like flying out of the box too. And you can always even get even more fun. You can add like some hearts and stuff in here, like some different sizes. I think I'm going to put like an odd number of hearts just to kind of make it look a little bit more interesting. And there you go, there is your drawing of a box of chocolate surprise fold. So when you have it all folded up, you have the cute little box of chocolates for Valentine's Day. Then when you open it, you've got all the little funny chocolates in there, and even some are jumping out of the box. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.